When it comes to investing, two names come up over and over again: Robinhood and Webull. Both are zero-commission trading apps that let you buy and sell stocks, exchange traded funds, options, and even crypto without paying trading fees. But while they share a lot in common, the experience of using them is very different. Let's break down which one might be the best fit for casual investors in the United States. Robinhood is all about simplicity. The app is sleek, fast, and easy to understand. From the moment you open it, you can see exactly what you own, how your portfolio is performing, and what is trending. There are no complicated menus or charts cluttering your screen. Signing up is quick, deposits arrive almost instantly, and trades take just a few taps. Robinhood makes investing feel effortless, which is why so many beginners start here. It also offers fractional shares, so you can invest with just a few dollars, even in big-name companies. That means you can build a diversified portfolio without needing a large amount of cash. Robinhood includes cryptocurrency trading too, making it simple to hold both traditional and digital assets in one place. For investors who want a bit more, there's an optional upgrade called Robinhood Gold. It gives access to margin, larger instant deposits, and professional research. But for most casual investors, the free version covers everything you need. Robinhood's biggest strength is accessibility. It makes investing feel simple, fast, and unintimidating. Webull, on the other hand, feels more advanced. It is still commission-free, but it gives you far more tools to analyze the market. The app is packed with detailed charts, technical indicators, and real-time data. If you like studying price movements, comparing companies, or testing strategies, Webull is built for that. It even has a paper trading feature that lets you practice investing with virtual money before risking real cash. A great option for anyone who wants to learn through experience. Webull also supports fractional shares and offers extended hours trading both before and after the market closes. Its design is more data-heavy, so it can feel a bit complex at first. But once you get used to it, it becomes a powerful platform. It gives you control, flexibility, and information that help you make more thoughtful investment choices. For people who want to explore charts and trends without paying for premium tools, Webull delivers a lot of value. Both platforms offer zero-commission investing and have made trading more accessible than ever. The difference really comes down to personality. Robinhood is like the friendly, easygoing option for everyday investors. Webull is like its more serious, analytical sibling for those who want to dig deeper. In the end, you cannot go wrong with either one. If you want simplicity and speed, choose Robinhood. If you want control and insight, go with Webull. Both make it possible to invest confidently without the heavy fees that used to make trading intimidating. For casual U.S. investors, these two apps prove that building wealth can be both simple and smart.